data science. So our today's topic, did you guess by the thumbnail that what is our today's topic? Yes, you guessed that right. Our today's topic is what is data science? Why data science is emerging as a buzzword in this industry? What are the mathematical tools that we want to learn for the data science? What are the programming languages that we should learn? So all these things will be covered in this video. So let's get started. Okay. So firstly, I'm going to tell you this, that what is data science by the help of a Venn diagram. Venn diagram, recall that in your 11th 12th class you must have read the sets. In that we used to make the Venn diagram. Okay, so start. Here we have a circle. Maybe it looks like a circle or maybe not. I can't say that. But this is, please assume it, this is AI. Now what is AI? AI is something that enables the machine to think. You all with the AI and you must be rapidly listening this word AI. So this is the easiest definition of AI, that it enables the machine to think. Now let's see that what are the programming languages that we need for learning AI. So that programming languages include Python, C++, Prolog, R, and you all must be knowing that there are many languages, but these are enough. Basically the Python is the best one for all the emerging buzzwords like data science, machine learning, AI, deep learning and all that things. Now we have understood about AI, that what is the definition and what are the languages required for that. Now let's move on to the mathematical tools. That what mathematical tools should we learn for the AI? So that mathematical tools include probability, statistics, and linear algebra, and there are many more things, but basically probability and statistics plays a vital role in all these things. Now we have learned about AI. You want to note it down or you can take screenshot. Now after AI, let's move towards machine learning. That what is machine learning? So machine learning is a subset of AI. So let's draw another. Wait, let me clear this and draw a neater one. So yes, this is machine learning. So what is machine learning? Machine learning basically deals with the statistics and probability. So it basically deals with statistics, probability and basically deals with the algorithms. Now machine learning is further classified in three things: supervised, unsupervised and reinforcement, that is also called as semi-supervised. So machine learning, we will classify it to here. So let's define it first. Supervised. So what is supervised learning? It is that learning in which we already have the data. Now what is unsupervised learning? It is something in which we don't have the data. And what I classified the third? Reinforcement learning. Reinforcement. So in this, sometimes we already have the data and sometimes we do not have the data. So it is basically a combination in which we sometimes have data or we sometimes do not have the data. So when we have the data, it is fine. So when we don't have the data, then what we use? Use clustering. So basically what is clustering? Clustering is grouping the data in different groups. Let's write that. Clustering. It is grouping of data in different groups. Now, there are three techniques for clustering. First is, let's write it here. First is KNN. Second is DB's can. And third is hierarchical. See the spelling, I am not sure that is this correct or wrong. So for clustering, we have three techniques: KNN, DB-scan and hierarchical. So in this video, I had told you about AI and machine learning. Now we are left with two, that is deep learning and data science. That would be covered in my next video. I know that you must be excited to know more about deep learning and data science, but you have to wait for the next video. So this is all. Thank you for watching. Do like, subscribe and share the video. Till then, bye-bye.